Hi, Pearls. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, today, Pearls, I'm trying something a little different in this video. You see, my hair is twisted back and tucked up because Curlsqueen was kind enough to send over a full set of clip-ins, and I cannot wait to try them. So, check out the pretty packaging. It's really nice and glamorous, and we're going to open the box together and see what's inside. There's a pretty little pouch with some goodies in it, and I already know I'll repurpose this cute little bag maybe for my makeup if I travel. Now there's a nice brush, there is a gorgeous satin bonnet, and you can never have too many bonnets, at least I can't. And this one is beautiful and happens to be reversible. They even sent over extra clips in case you need to replace one, I guess. And there's a thank you card and care instructions for the clip-ins. Now, last but not least, let's get into this hair. This is a true unboxing, y'all, because I have not seen the hair yet, and we're going to see it together. So it's in a beautiful satin drawstring bag, and this is where I'll store my clip-ins when I'm not wearing them. The hair is really soft. Look at that. It's really, really soft. It does have a bit of a scent to it, which some wigs have, but I'm sure that will go away once I shampoo the hair. And it's a different color than my own natural hair. My natural hair is like a dark sandy brown, so I plan to dye these clip-ins. I've never dyed my hair at all, so I'm not really familiar with hair dye, but I'm going to give it a try. I just want it to blend as naturally as possible. And if you're wondering, this is human hair, 100% human hair, and you can certainly dye it if you want. Now this is a full set of clip-ins, and they are full from the top near the clip all the way down to the ends. This hair is 18-inch water Kinky Curly Clip-ins, and they blend best with 3B, 3C natural hair. And I think I'm in that 3C range. Now, I dyed my hair. We talked about that. Number one, the dye didn't take. I'm not experienced with dye, but I tried my best. The dye relaxed the curl pattern, but I was kind of expecting that to happen, honestly, and really it was too curly for my taste initially, so the way that it came out after the dye was perfect. The dye, like I said, it hardly lifted the color, but that's my bad. I did it at home myself, but you will see a wee bit of color in some spots. Now let's get started with the install. Oh, and you'll notice I retwisted my hair, and this time I left some leave out because I wanted to do a particular style. My hair in the crown area behaves different from the rest of my hair, so I really had to finesse my strands to get them defined. If you know that struggle, that having multiple textures struggle, then you already know. But it all worked out. Keep watching, Pearls. Pearls, these clip-ins are so nice and light. I really like the way they feel, and I'm so pleased with them. The length is perfect, and the hair doesn't look bulky on my head. Great job, Curlsqueen. And just notice I'm using one of my favorite products to try to define my leave out at the top. So I just wet my hair and then put on, my favorite mousse or foam styler. And I still didn't quite get the best match of my hair with the clip-ins, so I twisted my hair, my leave out, and then put some perm rods on the end, and that seemed to make it made a big difference, and it looked really good. You'll see that coming up. So just keep that in mind. Do what you need to do to blend your hair with the curly hair. Pearls, I thank you for watching. Keep watching because I have a bonus style that I'm going to show for you at the end that is not typical of me at all. And also details for these gorgeous clip-ins will be listed in the description box, and keep an eye out because I will provide a discount code for you so you can save a little money if you're interested in these. Look at that color in the back. You see what I mean? I didn't do like the best job, but it worked out. It really, really worked out. All right, Pearls, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about these clip-ins. Let me know if you've tried them. I know some of my viewers have, and they've looked beautiful. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.